What's up guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. I'm 7beats, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a really awesome UK dancehall Afro swing beat. So in this video, first I'm going to create the chord progression, then add the melodies on top of the chord progression, and afterwards add some drums and guide you through the final arrangement. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. So first I'm going to set the tempo to 96. So first I'm going to add a Wurly V2 from Arturiam, and I remember this one is a really awesome preset. I think I'm going to create a melody in E flat minor, so I'm going to add this on top of the root notes. So right now it sounds like this. And I'm going to add this just one octave up, like this. This sounds way much better when I drag this down to D sharp 5. And I think right now I'm going to add something like a bass guitar. So I'm using the Ample Bass A, so the acoustic one. So I think this preset sounds really awesome, this one. So first I'm going to copy my chord progression into this sampler and then turn it down one octave like this. So really simple trick, and right now you can see which notes you can use. So first, so I'm going to create a really groovy bass line like this. Maybe just adjust this note right here. I think something like this. And just duplicate this one. And maybe just turn one up to this E4. Maybe just something like this. I think it's a really awesome bass line. So right now I'm going to add Omnisphere. So I found this preset. Really dark preset, I think. I'm going to start off with this G flat. Maybe turn down the cutoff filter. And I think I'm going to add another Omnisphere. So I think this Karimba preset also sounds really awesome. I think I'm going to disable this one. So I think I'm going to add another Wurly. This one sounds really crazy. So I think like this sounds really awesome, and I'm just going to use the root notes I think for this one. So just copy these notes right here to this one. Turn up the brightness a little bit. And I think this melody should be something like this. So this beat right here. So it's just really simple, just follow the chord progression like this. So I've just turn down the velocity a little bit. So I think just a really simple piano shot should also fit really well together. So I think I'm just going to use the first three notes of the first chord like this. Then use the strumizer. So I think I'm done creating on the melodies, and right now I'm going to add some drums. So I'm using my Afro Beat sample pack. So I'm using the snare. So I'm going to layer it with another rim shot. So I dragged in some heads and a kick, this one. And then I think I'm going to copy this one to this one. So right now I've created this roll pattern. Which I think is really awesome. This one is also really bouncy, I think. And right now I'm going to add a bass line. So for this one, I'm going to use Serum. So I'm not going to use a sample. So I found this really awesome preset, this one. So I think I'm going to create something really unique like this. So we're going to start off with a root note. So I think it should be something like this. So I'm going to remove that really annoying click sound. So right now I'm going to create an arrangement because I think I've just created all the needed elements. So right now I've created this arrangement. I'm going to guide you through all the elements. So this is the bass line. So I've added this Saturn to add some saturation. And I've added a lot of high frequencies. Then I've added this. The Wurly. And I've just used an EQ and cut up the high frequencies and cut up the low frequencies. Then I've added this effect from Omnisphere. So I've also used this bandpass right here, and I've added a lot of reverb to this one. Then this one. Then the melody from Omnisphere. Then the guitar. And I've added a lot of effects on this one. So this Pro Q3, the RC20, just a fruity flangus, an OTT compressor, and a lot of reverb. To really add some ambience to the beat, and then I've added the piano chord, which I think is also really awesome. I've also added a lot of reverb to this one. Altogether it sounds like this. I think it's a really awesome progression. It really has something dark in it. And then I'm adding the drums right here. So as you can hear, I've added a roll right here. This one. Just this one right here. Just this sample. This one. So low tom. And this djembe. Really simple, but I think it fits perfect to the beat right here. and the beat is basically repeating right here. And right here I've just made a really simple transition. So I've cut out some of the parts right here, and I've added the head rolls. And I've also made an adjustment to the bass pattern, this one. I've added some extra notes right here. And right here the beat is basically repeating. And right here the intro bass is coming in again. So I think this beat is really awesome, and I think it has the same vibe as the album from J Hus, Big Conspiracy. So thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Make sure to leave it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also make sure to check out my sample pack. It includes all the sounds which I've used in this tutorial. And see you guys in one of my next videos.